Good morning, students. Today is a topic of equation. Okay, equation. Equation is any like above of the condition of variable if they satisfy only the define the value. Means suppose a variable and constant value. Okay, suppose this is right, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, that is a 9 is equal to 9. Okay, it's mean that it is the part of called the left hand side and this part is called the right hand side, and between the is equal to sign, it's mean the value of left hand side is equal to value of right hand side. So this is the equation, but here is 4 plus 5 and 9 is all number will be numerical number. It is not only use the variable. The algebraic equations is it's mean algebraic equation use the variable. Variable means you have used the any x, y, z and so on. Okay. Now suppose this 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. 2x is equal to 9. X upon 2 is equal to 9. Okay, they are three types of all are the equation because it is the two parts, that the part of left hand side is the part of right hand side, and between is equal to sign, that is the is equal to sign is called the balance of the two parts. Suppose this is the first part and this is the second part. Okay, that is equation is equal to call the first value of first part and equal to value of second part. Suppose is 4 is greater than 3. 4 is greater than 3. It is not a equation because this is the sign is not a equal. It's mean equation this show the sign of equal. Okay. Now start the exercise. Exercise 11.5. is called state which of the followings are the equation. There are some equations are given with a variable. Given response of the your answer and identify the variable from the equation with a variable. Means you have find which is the equation and which variable will be in use this separately equation. Okay, that first is going on, that 17 plus x plus 7. 17 is equal to, the sign is equal to, it's mean this is the equation, and 17 and x plus 7, here is a x is a variable. Okay, they write that it is an equation, it is an equation of variable as both sides equal and the variable is x. Okay, second is t minus 7 and greater than 5. Okay, it is the sign of greater than, it's mean this is not a equation but variable is which variable? Variable is a t. Okay, now 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. Okay, okay, it's mean it is equation, it is equation. Okay, with no variable. Okay, but it is false equation. The variable is not here, it's mean this is the false equation. Okay, next 7 plus 3 minus 18 is equal to 8. This is equation because it is a sign of is equal to, but it is not variable. That repeat that this line is the here same answer. Answer, it is give equation with no variable, but it is false equation. Next is 5 multiply 4 minus 8 is equal to 2x. Okay, so this is the equation. Because is equal to sign, you write this is an equation. Okay, and the variable, which variable? X. Okay, next x minus 2 is equal to 0. So is equal to is going on. This is a equation, and which variable is x is a variable. So the variable is x. Next, 2m less than 30. Less than 30 means this is not an equation because it is equal sign is not given, but variable is m, but it, which type equation? False equation. Next is 2n plus 1 is equal to 11. So is equal to sign, it's mean this is an equation, and the variable, which variable? N. Now next is 7 is equal to 11 into 5 minus 12 into 4. Here no is, it is equation because is equal to sign with no variable. It is not any variable. Okay, now but it, which type equation? False equation. Next, 7 is equal to 11 into 2 plus p. Variable is p and is equal to sign means it is an equation, and variable is which variable? P. Next, 20 minus 5y is it is an equation, and variable is y. Next, L 2q upon 2 3q upon 2 and greater less than 5. So it is not a equation. Okay, z plus 12 is greater than 20. Here not come in is equal to sign, it's mean it is not a equation. Okay, with variable is z, but it is a false equation. Next, is equal to sign is given means it is an equation without variable. Variable is not means it is false equation. And next is 7 minus x is equal to 5. It is equal to sign means it is equation, and variable will be used. The variable is x. Second, complete the entries in the third column of the table. The first column is given the ABC, the numbers. I will collect the sum questions. Then the first question is 10y is equal to 80. Here the value of y is a 10. Okay, so your answer is satisfy yes or no. So first will be solve the left hand side. That the left hand side is the 10y and right hand side is the 80. So that 10y means 10 into that y value is a 10 is equal to 100, means the 100 is not equal to 80 because left hand side is a and equal, means answer is a no, not satisfied. Okay, next is 10y is equal to 80 and y value is a 8. To put the value 10 into 8 is equal to 80, that 80 is equal to 80, means the 80 is equal to 80. It means your answer is yes, means your y value is 8 is satisfied the equation 10y is equal to 80. Now b plus 5 is equal to 9 and b value is a 5. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 9, that 10 is not equal to 9, that means answer is no. Whereas the b plus 5 is equal to 9, next equation, and b value is 9. The b value 9 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 5 is 14 is not equal to 9. It means answer is no. Okay, now next is h plus 8 h minus 8 is equal to 5. H minus 8 is equal to 5. Here the h value is a 13. So 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5 is equal to 5. So that is the value is same. Your answer is yes. Next is a h minus 8 is equal to 5 and value of h is a 0. That 0 minus 8 is equal to 5. That minus 8 is not equal to 5. Your answer is no. Okay. Next p plus 3 is equal to 1. We write the p plus 3 is equal to 1 and p value is a 0. The 0 plus 3 is equal to 1. It means 3 is not equal to 1. It means answer is no. Next is p plus 3 is equal to 1 and p value is minus 1. So that p value is minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 after subtraction, because they are different sign, that is 2 is equal to 1, that 2 is not equal to 1. It means answer is no. Okay, and next is again p plus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, now p is a minus 2 and plus 3 is equal to 1, p value is minus 2. So that 1 is equal to 1. It means your answer is yes. Okay, so try the remaining questions. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is pick out of the solution from the value given in the bracket and next to each equation and show that the other value does not satisfy the equation. Means their equation is given, first you choose the value of first, your value is left hand side and equal to right hand side, they are finished. Suppose they are not satisfied, you choose the second value. So that the first equation is 5x is equal to 60. So first number is 10, that is x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10, it means 5 into 10 is equal to 60 and 5 is 50 is not equal to 60. It means not satisfied. Okay, next is x is equal to second value is a 5. So you write 5 into 5 because 5x is equal to 60, that is 25 is not equal to 60. It means not satisfied. Okay, next is x is equal to next value is 12. So that 12 is now 5x, x value is a 12 is equal to 60. So that is 60 is equal to 60. So here is a certify, means the value of x is equal to 12 is a answer of given equation. Okay, now next is n plus 12, that n plus 12 the value of left hand side and 20 is the value of right hand side. First value is a 12, so that n is equal to first value 12. So 12 plus 12 is equal to 12 plus 12 is 24 is not equal to 20. It's mean it is answer of not satisfy. Next is n is equal to value of 8. So that n plus 12, n plus 12, it's mean 8 plus 12 is equal to 20. That is a 20 is equal to 20. Okay, it means left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. It's mean that is the certify. It means the value of n is equal to 8 is a certify the given equation of n plus 12 is equal to 20. Okay, now next is C, is p minus 5 is equal to 5. Your value is 10, 0, 10, 5 and minus 5. So now left hand side is a value of p minus 5 is equal to 5. Okay, so now first is p value is 0, p value is a 0. So 0 minus 5 is equal to 5, that minus 5 is equal to 5 is not equal to, it means not satisfy. Okay, second will be p is equal to value of 10 to 10. Their point will be satisfy. Next number you have not solved, that p minus 5 is equal to 5 is the equation. P value is 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 is 5. It means left hand side equal to right hand side, means equation is satisfy. Okay, now we will p value is a 10 is a answer. Okay, now next is give q upon 2, that left hand side value is q upon 2 and right hand side value is a 7. First is q value you suppose 7, so that is the 7 upon 2 is 7. So that 3.5 after cancellation is not equal to 7, means not satisfy. Okay, now second is q value is 2, so that 2 upon 2 is 7, because q value only you put 2, cancel 1 is equal to not equal to 7, it's mean not satisfy. Okay, next is q value is given 10, that is 10, so that 10 upon 2 is equal to 7, because this is the value of q. The cancellation 5 is 5 is not equal to 7. Here answer is not satisfy. Okay, now next is q is equal to 14 is given. So 14 upon 2 is 7. After cancellation 7 is equal to 7. It's mean left hand side equal to right hand side, that q is equal to answer is 14. Okay, that's q. We put the value of q is 14 upon 2 is equal to 7. 2 cancel to 7 is equal, left hand side equal to right hand side, q is equal to 17. Okay, the next question is given r minus 4. R minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, it's mean left hand side is a r minus 4 is equal to 0 is right hand side. First will be r value is a 4. Okay, R value is 4, means 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. It means left hand side equal to right hand side, means R value is 4 is satisfied given equation of R plus 4 is equal to 1. Next is additions. X plus 4 is equal to 2. It means left hand side is a x plus 4 and right hand side is equal to 2. So x plus 4 is equal to 2 is the equation. First x value is a minus 2. To put the minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. So that is after subtraction is 2 is equal to 2, means that is left hand side equal to right hand side. Suppose they are not satisfied, so you choose the second number. Not satisfied, next number. Not satisfied, next number. So that is the x is equal to minus 2 is the answer of given equation. Now question number 4 is complete the table by the inspection of the table and find the solution to the given equation. Is m plus 10 is equal to 16, means m plus 10. m plus 10 means m plus 10. अब m value is 1 means 11. जैसे suppose m plus 10, तो put the value is इधर 11, 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2 is 12, is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Because value of m you put 1, so 10 plus 1 is 12, 11, 10 plus 2 is 12, 10 plus 3 is 13. You continue and you find the solution. There is the 16, so there is the 16, okay, and 16 the value of 6. It means the m is equal to value of 6. Next is 5t. 5t means the table of t 5 times. So that is the 5t. 5t, t value 3, 3 5 is 15. Okay, फिर next 5 4 जा 20, 5 5 जा 25, 5 6 जा 30, 5 7 जा 35, because it is the value of t is 5 time of increase. Okay, now 40, 49, 9 5 जा 49, 50, 55, okay, and 60, 65, 14 into 5 is a 70, 75 and 80. Now find 5t is a 35. Where is the 35? This is the place of 35. This is the place of 35, that the value of t is a 7. So you write t is equal to 7 is a answer of this equation. Next is z upon 3. Z upon 3 means first value is 8. 8 upon 4 is a 2. Next is a z upon 3. Z value is 9 upon 2. 9 upon 2 is a 9 upon 2. Okay. Next is 10 upon 2. 10 upon 2. 11 upon 2. 4, sorry, because divided by 4. Here 12 upon, no sorry, here is a 3. So 8 upon 3. Here 9 upon 3 is 3. 10 upon 3. 11 upon 3. 12 upon 3 is a 4. That 13 upon 3. 14 upon 3, 15 upon 3 is cancelled, that 5, and 16 upon 3. Now that the value of 4, where is it come the 4? This 3 and this 4 come. Okay, so that the 4 will come to 12. It's mean z value is a 12 is satisfied the. Now 12 upon 3 is equal to 4. Okay, The last question is a subtraction form, that is the m minus 7. The first will be 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. So there minus 2. Next is a 6. 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1 and minus 1. Next is a 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Next is a 8. 8 minus 7 is equal to, because this is the value of m minus 7. Okay, so that is the 1. Next is a 9. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. To put 2. Next is a 10. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Put 3. Next 11 minus 7 is equal to, because the value of 11 and minus 7 is 4. We write 4. Next is a 12. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. And next come to 5. 13. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. We put 6. And 14, next number is minus 7 is a 7. The table will be complete. And you find the right hand side value is a 3. Where is the 3? That is the number of 3. 3 number will come to support of 10. That the value of m is equal to 10 is a answer of given equation.